Hey, fake no more. Fake no more. The imposter syndrome, the fear of being found out, to stop. We're dealing with this to stop wearing a mask and to become radically authentic. To be in the path of radical authenticity. Sorry. For the Satanist people, they aren't seeking um, they aren't seeking authenticity. Like it's not the aim. And at the end, they're just scammers. So they are always imposters. So then it's targeting them right on spot, but then it's not it's not for them. They continue to practice the art of the act of stealing as a way to get by, and they will always feel like fraud. This is just how it is. So the mechanism of but otherwise, if you are just experiencing low self-esteem, for instance, which is how you become you start experiencing imposter syndrome as well. But here we're gonna see another one. The mechanism is that it's not linked to low self-esteem, but a fear of exposure. And so you attribute your success to luck. You deflate it. You deflect it. You're like, oof, it's not me, it's this. So you're not exposed. So you hide your real self. It's like, it's not me, it's luck. So then your real self, which has done the thing that is exposed right now, is just feel like, not me. But this in turn increase pressure. So for instance, you achieve something, then you credit external factors instead of crediting yourself. So it makes you believe that you fooled everyone because it's because of external factors. And then it's not about like the fear of visibility anymore that initiate the thing. But here, right now, you start being exposed you start to fear being exposed as a fraud. And this makes you want to overcompensate on the competence. So wearing a mask that is an ego mask that is even bigger in competence. So it's a painful paradox. Your success doesn't decrease the fear, it increases it. Each achievement raises the stakes, making you feel like an even bigger fraud who has to maintain an ever more perfect mask. Yeah, it needs to be like polish, not to see anything that's going through. Otherwise, everyone is going to see that you're a fraud. The pressure becomes immense, because you can never relax and just be yourself. You always have to wear a mask, and it's super stressful, and always have to maintain it. So your remedy begins with privately acknowledging your own work. The next time you complete a task, well, find a quiet moment and say to yourself just once, I did that well. So it's not anymore some long video, some short videos under 3 minutes, but it's a bit hard right now to stay below 3 minutes. So I hope that you find it amazing. Me, I'm a bit in my thoughts. My mind is attacked. So it's like, don't say don't say don't say and yeah, then I feel a bit here something, and I feel a bit like slow mo, but I still continue to move on. That's it. Much love and have fun.